Hi there. I am so excited that you're considering unblocking your inner strategist with me and this year's cohort of other Thinkydoers and Rebelutionary Leaders. When you join, you'll not only learn how to create big, bold, motivating goals for yourself and your work, you'll also unlearn unhelpful ways of thinking about goals that might be holding you back. You're taking a step toward creating the work life you know is possible for you, where you can sit down every day and know what's most important to focus on. And then at the end of the day, have a feeling of accomplishment, being able to see progress in terms of actual quantifiable impact. I'm really excited you're settling even further into the driver's seat of your career with me. Whether you're new to goal setting methodologies and practices, or already an OKR pro looking to uplevel your ability to create and achieve bigger, bolder goals, you're in the right place. I know you're a hard worker. You'd have noped out before even watching this video if you weren't. Hard work is important. For those of us who are focused on the substance of performance, not just making numbers look good, it takes hard work. Here, you'll learn how to channel your hard work toward activities that actually yield the results you aim for. You'll get crystal clear about the big outcomes and impacts that are really important to you in alignment with what your company or client or job expects of you. But the work we do here isn't for your boss, it's not for your clients or your direct report. I mean, they benefit from it since you'll be able to communicate expectations more clearly, help people focus on what's most important, and you'll model important behavior that helps create a culture of learning, growth, and impact. But you won't do this for them. You're doing this to increase your own career fulfillment and sense of satisfaction at the end of each day and every goal cycle. I'm here to share a couple key tools with you, namely the one-page strategic input and my proven no BS objectives and key results framework. But it's up to you to take what you learn and actually run with it. Now, imagine this time next year. You get to set your own goals about what that looks like, but a few possibilities are you're working less because you're using your time more effectively, focused on what's really most important. You're experiencing more joy in your work life because you've created clear expectations for yourself, no matter how chaotic your environment. So you're able to spend more of your time in that awesome and productive state of flow. You're also not going it alone anymore because you've developed skills to make working with other people smoother, less stressful, and higher impact. You, my friend, are about to be surprised by the impact a couple hours of goal setting can have on your work life well being and impact and your life. Here's how we'll get there together. First, you're going to get immediate access to my self paced asynchronous workshop, Building No BS OKRs. In that workshop, you'll start with a blank sheet of paper and end with a completed set of goals in the form of objectives and key results. But these aren't your grandfather's objectives and key results. So if you've worked with OKRs before and bristle at that acronym, give me a chance. I'll guide you step by step through creating your OKRs. You can complete the steps at any pace you like. Some people speed through the 11 core modules in a few hours over the course of a couple days and complete a full set of OKRs in their first pass. Others might start with one core element, with building their one-page strategic input or creating objectives, and then they fold in additional elements during their second quarter and beyond. The pace is completely up to you. Second, you'll have access to 4 live goal reset support sessions each quarter during the last 2 months of each quarter and the first 2 months of the next. These sessions are flexible to accommodate the needs of everyone who joins, but they're designed to help you take stock of the past quarter and envision what might be possible for the next one, so you're making progress on your big outcomes every quarter of the year. Third, you'll have access to 2 inner strategist only gatherings each month. Now, the details of these vary. Sometimes they're co working sessions with me there to support you to work on actually achieving your most important goal. Other times, we'll cover a specific topic to help you nurture your inner strategist, or we'll have an open Q&A. But twice a month, you get 1 hour with me and your cohort mate to focus on achieving your goals. And last, you have access to 2 circles in my community. One for people who are creating objectives and key results in the Building No BS OKRs workshop, and a bonus circle just for inner strategist participants. My inner strategists get more individualized attention, feedback, and support than anyone else outside of my corporate clients. And I can't wait to work with you. You're going to feel more confident and excited about your first set of OKRs than you have about goals in the past, and definitely than any other OKR newbie. And then you'll get more value out of them faster with the expert help and support that you'll find here, along with community with other goal focused change makers. I can't wait to help you replace friction and frustration with satisfaction and flow in your work so you can make the change and impact this world needs that only you can envision. I really hope to see you in this community. And then I can't wait to meet you and work with you to help you achieve your biggest, boldest goals.